Hey, what's up guys, this is Bhavish and I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to be doing the unboxing of the MI A2. So here we have the black version and specifications are mentioned at the back and the made in India labeling. And as we open up the box, first we get this accessory box kind of a thing, inside which we get the case, the adapter and everything else. And here is the phone itself. We'll set it aside for the while, and we'll open up this accessory box in which you get a quick start guide and other warranty information given in it, and all the stuff which we don't care mostly, but it's given with it. And here you go with the adapter, because you don't have an headphone jack on this phone. So yeah, that's one thing which I didn't like about the MI A2, because they did not have an headphone jack, and they've given the SIM ejector tool as expected. And here is the silicone case, which you get the black color one for the black version, whereas the other lake blue and other colors you get the transparent version. And you get the charger, which is of 5 volts 2 amps as usual. No like fast charging or anything. I expected at least fast charging with this phone. So it has really nice specs with 2160 into 1080p pixels, and it has 5.99 inches screen, and it has a Snapdragon 660 and RAM of 4GB, and internal storage is 64GB, and there is no micro SD card provided in. That's one satisfying sound right there. And I'll get back to you guys with the entire review of this phone itself. Overall, first looks, it feels really nice in the hand, and it's really thinner than the Note 5 Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye now.